After the chilling appearance of Amarak and his army of undead, His Majesty King Curian returned to Azilla and summoned me. Scouts reported that strange activities were seen at the old site. It seems likely that Amarak is once again rebuilding the Altar of Destruction. I alerted my old friend Keitha, who joined us at once. After informing our allies, Curian, Keitha, and I were resolved to march the army toward the altar and put an eternal end to Amarak's evil plan.
The ancient heart was destroyed in the last war. How can the altar be rebuilt? Is Rick Blood still alive? Or is Amarak responsible for it?
I cannot tell. The only thing which we are quite sure of is the construction goes much faster than we could have expected.
Our scout reported that they have built many ancient candles around the old site. What does this mean?
That's what I'm wondering about. Even if they try to draw the power from the land, it's not sufficient. They need a strong, immortal energy, as strong as the ancient heart.
Strong, immortal energy. Ancient heart. Moonlight. The cavern of the ancient is somewhere nearby, right?
Yes. Nibel, the ancient dragon. Damn it! Why didn't I think of it? They must be trying to convert Nibel's radiating energy into the altar as its power source.
But wouldn't that wake Nibel?
Nibel went back to his eternal slumber after the war 100 years ago. Anything short of severe injuries will not awaken him.
Then we must travel to his cavern and wake him up physically.
Yes, but the ancient candle pentagram blocks the way. We will have to clear it out first.
What's this pentagram for?
It generates an energy field surrounding the pentagram. It will be very dangerous to get close to it. Yes, let's destroy those ancient candles. They are the source of the pentagram.
Very well then. Let's attack!
Yes, I see.
What is it?
Knowledge is coming.
What you need?
Move.
I see.
Let's move. Charge!
Let's go!
All right.
I'll do it. No, not again. Zombie. The Fallen have become zombie. It's just like what I have encountered at the Dwarven burial grounds.
Curious. If we can break the 5 candles that form the pentagram, the magic will be broken.
I understand. Attack the ancient candles, men. Destroy them!
Attack!
Yes, what is
Charge!
Amarak!
Yes, what is it?
What the? He disappeared!
What do you need?
Charge!
What do you need?
Attack!
I see.
Make it quick. Let's move.
I see.
Here I come.
It is coming.
Yes, what is it?
Let's go! I'll handle it.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
I am here. Sure.
I'm ready. Move, move, move!
If I only
Just
had
give me
a
the
pickaxe. What can I do for you? What is your wish? What is your wish? What is your wish?
Yes, what is it? Yes, what is it? Charge! I see. I see. Let's move! Make it quick. Make it quick. Yes, let's move! I see.
How may I serve you?
obey.
Yes, what is it? Make it quick.
You can't recruit anymore.
What is your wish? Just give me the job. Give me the job. What can I do? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you?
You can't recruit anymore.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
Yes, what is it? Quick.
Protect the villagers. My steel.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What can I do? Give me the job. What is your wish? Give me the job. What can I do? Give me the job. What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you? If I only had a pickaxe. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What is your wish?
More gold required.
What can I do? I'll take care of it now. What is your wish? What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you?
Here I come. I'll split their skulls. Taste my steel. Taste my steel. Fine.
If I only had a pickaxe. What is your wish? What can I do? I'll take care of it now. What can I do? I'll take care of it now.
All right. Taste my steel.
Rhythms. Make it quick. Of the ancient
Let's move.
art.
What can I do for you?
Charge! What do you need? Yes, what is it?
What can I do for you?
I can sense it.
All right.
What can I do for you?
What do you need?
All right.
Yes, what is it?
Yes.
What can I do for you?
Let's move! Attack! Yes, what is it? I see.
If I only had I'll take care of it now. If I only I'll take care of it. What is your wish? Just give me the job. If I only had a pickaxe. Just give me the job. What is your wish? What can I do for you? If I only just had give a me pickaxe. The job. Just give me the job.
Rhythms of the ancient heart. Charge!
All right.
Rhythms of the ancient heart. Make it quick. Charge! Make it quick. Godzilla!
I am here. Yes.
I
I obey.
Yes, what is it?
Let's go.
All right. All right.
Yes, what is it?
I await you. How may I serve you?
What do you need? Attack!
You insist?
Protect the villagers. Feel my wrath! Feel my wrath!
Yes, what is it?
I can sense it.
Rhythms. For the ancient.
Our army is under attack.
What is your wish? What can I do for you? If I only had
I'll
a
take care of it
pickaxe.
now.
Time is running out.
Yes.
Yes, what is it?
What can I do for you?
Here I come.
I can sense it.
I'll do it.
What can I do for
What do you need?
you? What can I do for
I'll
you?
take care of it now.
What is your wish? What can I do for you?
Rhythms. I see.
Attack!
The ancient
Let's go.
heart.
Come with me. Follow me.
I can sense it.
What can I do for you?
What do you need?
We are under attack.
Coming.
What can I do for you?
Yes, what is it? Let's move. Make it quick.
What can I do for you? If I
Just give
only
me the
had
job.
a pickaxe.
Protect the villagers.
Let's go. Come with me.
Rhythms.
What can I do for you?
Here I come.
The ancient heart.
Time is running out.
Rhythms of the ancient heart.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you? If I only had a pickaxe. What is your wish? What can I do for you? What is your wish?
Just give me the job.
What do you
Here I
need?
come.
What can I do for you?
Time is running out.
Yes.
What do you need?
Protect the villagers.
I see. Of the ancient heart.
What can I do for you? If I only had a pickaxe.
We
What can I
can't
do
build
for you?
there.
What is your wish? What can I do for you?
Let's go.
What do you need? I see.
What can I do for you?
I can sense it. I can sense it.
What can I do
What
for
do you need? I see.
Time is running out. Mana
Let's
is
go.
strong.
Leave it to me.
All right. Taste my steel.
It is
Yes,
coming.
what is it?
Here I come.
Let's go.
I can sense it.
Rhythms. Make it quick. For the ancient heart.
How may I serve you?
What can I do for you? What is your wish?
We are under attack.
Let's go.
How may I serve you?
coming.
All right.
How may I serve you?
The ancient armies. Attack!
If I only had a pickaxe.
How may I serve you?
What is your wish? Just give me the job.
Yes, what is Godzilla! Let's move. I see. Make it quick.
How may I serve you?
If I only had I'll take care a of it now. pickaxe. What is your wish? If I only
I'll take care of
had
it
a
now.
pickaxe.
Let's go. Come with me.
All right.
What you need? Let's move. Let's move.
Protect the villagers.
He's coming.
Let's go.
I am here. Burn! Sure.
Rhythms.
I'll do it.
Yes, what is it? The ancient heart.
I am here. I obey. Yes. How may I serve you? Yes. I obey. Away!
Rhythms. The ancient heart. I see. I see. Let's move. Attack!
How may I serve you? Yes. I obey.
Yes, let's move. What is it? Let's move.
How may I serve you? Yes.
Protect the villagers.
I am
He's
here.
coming.
I await you. I obey. I obey.
If I only had a pickaxe. What can I do for you? What can I do for you?
I am here. Sure.
Protect the villagers. All right.
What you need? I see.
The monarch
Let's
comes
go.
strong.
What you need? I see. Yes, what is it? For Godzilla!
If I only had a pickaxe. Just give me the job. What can I do for you?
What you need?
All right.
What you need?
Protect the villagers. Taste my steel. I'll split their skulls.
What you need?
I'll do it.
I can sense it.
We are under attack.
Come with me. I'll handle it. Leave it to me.
Protect the
We
villagers.
are under attack.
Taste my steel.
Yes, what is
Time is knowledge is power. Let me think. Mother is strong here. Let me think. Time is
the ancient heart. Rhythms of the ancient
Here I come.
heart.
Our army is under attack.
What can I do for you?
Let's go.
Time is running out. Time is running out. It is coming. Mana is strong here. Let me think. Let me think. Mana is strong here. Time is running out.
Rhythms
For Azilla!
of the ancient
coming.
heart.
Let me think.
We are under attack. Our
Mana
army
is
is under
strong.
attack.
Rhythms of the ancient heart. Rhythms of the ancient heart.
What is your wish? Just give me the job. What can I do for you?
Rhythms of the ancient heart.
Attack!
Time is running out.
Let's go. I'll handle it.
We are under attack.
How may I serve you?
Arrows away! Arrows away!
I am guarding the hard.
What is your wish? Just give me the job. I'll take care of it now. Just
We
give
are
me
under
the job. I'll
attack.
take care of it now. Just give me the job.
We are under attack.
Yes, I
What
see.
is it?
I await you.
I am the guardian of the hard.
I am here, yes. How may I serve you?
I obey.
Yes. Death to the orcs!
What do you need?
I can sense it.
What is your wish?
Guardian of the hard. Yes. I'll handle it. Yes. Leave it to me.
How may I serve
What
you?
can I do? Just give me the job.
Yes, what is it? Make it quick. Rhythms I see. Of the ancient heart.
I am a guardian of the hard.
go.
Attack!
What do you need? Charge!
What can I do? Just give me the job. What is your wish?
Rhythms
How may I serve
the
you?
ancient heart. Make it quick. Let's move. Let's move. Yes, what is it? Let's move.
We are under attack.
How may I serve you?
I can sense it.
Our army is under attack.
I'll do it. Come with me.
may I serve
Let's
you?
move. I see.
Of course, my dear. I am here. Yes.
Let's move. The ancient heart.
Time is running out. Well, if you insist.
Trust me, I am the guardian of the heart.
Rhythms of the ancient heart.
If I only had a pickaxe.
We are under attack.
Let's go. Come with me.
Yes,
What can
let's
I
move.
do?
Make it quick. Rhythms of the ancient heart. Let's move.
What can I do for you?
Make it quick.
Oh, leave it to me.
How may I serve you? I am here.
What can I do for you?
Sure. Sure. I am here. Sure.
What can I do
Just
for you?
give me the job.
Protect the village.
Let's
Go!
go.
Rhythms, I see, of the
How may I
ancient
serve you?
heart.
What can I do for you?
How may I serve you? Sure. Of course, my dear.
What can I do for you?
Time is running out. Knowledge is power.
What can I do for you?
Mana is strong. Mana is strong here.
What can I do for you?
How may I serve you?
What is your
I'll
wish?
take care of it now. What is your wish?
What can I do for you?
Just give me the job.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you?
Yes,
I
what
can
is it?
sense it. Mana is strong.
Rhythms.
I can
What
sense
you
it.
need? Of the ancient heart.
Yes. Leave it to
What
me.
can I do for you?
I await you. Yes.
What can I do for you?
Rhythms
What can I do for you?
of the
I
ancient
can sense
heart.
it. Mana is strong. Well, if
Yes,
you
what
insist, it is
What
coming.
can I do for you?
Rhythms
It is coming. Knowledge
of
is
the
power.
ancient heart. What you need, I see.
What can I do for you?
I can sense it.
What you need? Make it quick. Make it quick. Yes,
I can
what
sense
is
it.
What can I do for you? If I only
Just
had
give
a
me the
pickaxe.
job.
If I only
Just
had
give me
a
the job.
pickaxe. What can I do for you? What can I do
I'll
for
take care of it now.
I await you.
you? If I only
take care of
had
it
a
now.
pickaxe.
How may
What
I
you
serve
need, I
you?
see. For Azilla! Rhythms
I can
of the
sense it.
ancient heart.
Mana is strong. Well, if you insist.
Yes,
How may I
what is
serve
it?
you?
Yes, what is it? Yes, what is it? Let's move! Let's move! Attack! Rhythms. Let's move! The ancient heart. Yes, what is it?
How may I serve
Let's
you?
move! Make it quick. What you need? Charge! What you need?
If you insist.
Yes, what is it?
How may I serve you?
Yes, what is it?
It's running out.
I am here. Sure.
If I only had a pickaxe.
What will it
Very
be?
well.
What can I do for you?
Yes, what is it?
It is coming.
What can I do for you?
Yes. Death to the orcs!
I am a guardian of the Hod.
What will it be?
it.
Rhythms
Time is running out.
of the ancient heart. Of the ancient heart.
If I only had a pickaxe.
We can't build there. Our army is under attack.
Guardian of the Hod.
How may I serve you?
Burn!
How may I serve you?
Burn!
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
Our army is under attack.
What can I do for you?
Yes,
is
move,
coming.
is it? Attack!
What can I do for you?
Of course, my dear.
So be it.
What can I do for you?
Of course, my dear.
More mana
What can I
required.
do for you? What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you?
What you need?
I could sense it. Time is running out.
What you need, eh? Make it quick. Make it quick.
What can I do for you? Just give me the job. What is your wish?
What will it be?
More mana required.
What can I do for you?
It is coming.
What can I do for you?
What you need? Let's move. Let's move.
We are under attack.
It is coming. Well, if you insist.
Yes, my child.
Time is running out. Let me think. The mana is strong here.
Let's go! Leave it to me!
If I only I'll take care had of a it now. pickaxe.
Yes, my child.
We are under attack.
It was foretold. Have faith, my child.
How may I serve you?
We are under attack.
I'd like to serve. By the will of Amos.
We are under
Yes,
attack.
what is it?
I am here.
Yes, my child.
Arrows away!
Let's go!
We are under attack.
What will it be? Trust me. Very well. Very well.
Our army is under attack.
Let's go. I'll handle it.
How may I serve you?
I could sense it. The monarch, strong.
Our army is under attack.
I could sense honor is strong.
How may I serve you?
Our army is under attack.
Trust me.
Reveal your will. Reveal your will.
Have faith,
Our
my
army
child.
is under attack.
Have faith, my child.
Trust me.
Our army is under attack. More mana required.
I await you. Sure. Burn!
It is
Protect
coming.
the villagers.
What you need? Make it quick.
We are under attack. We are under
I
attack.
by the will of Amos.
How may I serve you?
What you need?
I could sense it.
Yes, what is it? For Azilla!
I could sense it.
How may I serve you?
Let me think. The mana is strong. Time is
The ancient heart. What you need? Let's move!
How may I
Let's move.
serve you?
Let's move! I see. Make it quick.
Our army is under attack.
What you need? Let's move! Let's move! Make it quick.
We are under attack.
What
How
you
may
need?
I serve you?
It is coming. Knowledge
Our
is power.
army is under attack.
What will it be?
We are under attack.
How may I serve you?
Our army is under attack.
How may I serve you? I await you.
We are under attack.
Yes.
It
Yes,
is coming.
what is it? Quick.
I'd
Have
like to
faith,
serve.
my child.
Protect the villagers.
Let's go. Come with me.
Our army is under attack. We are under attack.
What is your wish? What is your wish?
I await you.
Here I come.
How may I serve you?
Of the ancient
Time is
heart.
running out.
I am here. Burn!
What will it be?
Of course.
So be it. So
Our
be
army
it.
is under attack.
How may I serve you?
Of course.
We are under
Very
attack.
well.
am here.
Burn!
How may I serve you?
We are under attack.
I await you, yes.
We are under attack.
How may I serve you?
Of course, my dear.
I am here.
Our army is under attack.
Arrows! Away!
Yes, my child. By the will of Amos.
Our army is under attack.
Yes, have faith, my child.
Sky up to me.
We are under attack.
On the wing.
Yes, my
Like
child.
a storm. On my
We
way.
are under attack.
How may I serve you?
Fire!
We
I'm
are
here.
under attack.
Burn! Arrows! Away!
Of course, my dear.
Reveal your will. Repent, sinners!
What will it be?
So be it. So be it.
We are under
Very
attack.
well. Ah!
What you
Let's
need?
move.
Our army is under
Up to
attack.
me. Faster than the wind.
my
On my way. Take off.
Our army is under attack.
Like on my way.
Our army is under attack. We are under attack.
I can sense it. Knowledge is power.
Our army is under attack.
Knowledge is power.
Sky up to me.
Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power.
What you need?
The necromantic magic is broken now. Curian, attack their main base.
Right! Here we go!
It feels good up here.
Let's go!
Not enough food.
Leave the
Build
sky
more
up
farm.
to
Not
me.
enough food. Build more
I'll
farm.
handle it.
Rhythms of the ancient heart.
All right.
I can sense it. Knowledge is power.
Like a storm. I'm going. Like a storm. Be right there.
I like to serve.
Rhythms. Make it quick. Of the ancient heart. Make it quick. I see.
Time, let me think. Let me think.
Yes, leave it to me.
How may I serve you? Yes.
Yes, my child.
I await you. Yes.
Yes, my child. It was foretold.
It feels good up here. Be right there.
Time is running out.
Rhythms
I can sense it.
of the ancient heart. What you need?
It is coming.
What you need? Make it quick. Let's move. I see. Let's move!
I can sense it.
Yes, what is it? Charge!
The ancient
heart.
Mana is strong. Knowledge is power.
What do you need? Charge! Yes, I want it. Let's move!
The ancient heart is running out.
Our army is under attack.
You insist. Well, if you insist. Mana is strong here.
Like a storm. I'm going. Faster than the wind. I'm going. Faster than the wind.
Time is running out. The mana is strong.
Our army is under attack.
I'm going. Faster than the wind. I'm going. Faster than the wind. Right there. On my way. Faster than the wind. Right there. Like a storm.
Time is running out. Let me think. Well, if you insist, it is coming. Well, if you insist. Knowledge is power. I can sense it. Well, if you insist.
It feels good up here. Like take off.
Our army is under attack.
It feels good up here.
It is coming.
We are under attack.
Like a storm. It feels good up here. Take faster than the wind.
Our army is under attack.
It feels good up here.
It knowledge is power. Mana is strong if you insist. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Let me think. The mana is strong. Well, if you insist.
Make it quick.
Of the ancient heart. It is coming. The mana is strong here. Let me think.
Amarak's not around. Only his illusions.
Calm down, Curian. He is probably at the altar of destruction.
Old man, your power is still strong, but it is useless now. You are too late. The rebuilding of the altar of destruction is complete. You cannot stop me now.
I must. You will not be allowed to proceed, foul one!
Die, Amarak!
Come to the altar, boy.
He teleported back to the altar. Moonlight, what shall we do now?
We must go to the cavern of the Ancient and awaken Nibel. Only his power can save the world now.
I will go with you.
No, the army needs a leader. You will march the army on the altar of destruction. Keither and I will handle this.
But...
Listen to Moonlight, King Curian. He is wise. We will be back as soon as possible.
Very well, then. Good luck.